So here we are, doing a sneak peek today. I'm meeting our clients later at 4. I'll come back and we will meet to show them the apartment that they've not seen. Actually never have walked into this since we started renovating it. Isn't that amazing? Oops, I just hit my head on the chandelier. I knew that would happen. We have a few snafus. One of the dumb paint guys from the cabinetry damaged the floor, so I have to refinish that. But we're definitely loving this little office. It's quite lovely. And that's a wired window shade on the living room. Everything's actually in order now for them to think about how they're going to decorate. I think a new sofa, L-shaped sofa, the wall-mounted TV, and the primary bedroom. Let's go take a look at this darling little bath.